call you tonight when I'm about to hit the rack. When I get back, we'll play Naked Twister, I promise. Hey, what's up guys? Ryan Burnwood Bushcraft. I'm out here doing some exploring in some new woods. I'm actually house sitting for my sister this week. I'm in the woods behind her house. As you can see, we got a creek back here. I got my hammock and I'm gonna try to do an overnighter out here and just enjoy being next to the water. And the good thing is I won't have to pack any water down here. I'll just use my Sawyer filter to filter water. Lots of trees that I can hang my hammock. I'm gonna do a tarp overhead. Technically, I'm not on my sister's land. Stealth camp. Keep hearing something up on the hill. Like somebody's mowing or something. Sounded like they got really close right here. So if I'm not on my sister's land, I don't want to piss anybody off. I'm trying to be stealthy. So we're going to have to monitor this situation. I came down through the woods directly behind my sister's house instead of coming around in the tall grass this time. But this is my spot, man. This is where I want to camp. I mean, I could do it further down the creek that way. But this is it's just beautiful. It's open. Yeah, I came down through the woods and I'm already got some battle scars. So we're gonna go ahead and head up here and get the hammock out and get it hung up in the tree. Alright, so I got a little bit of a shelter put up. I decided to go with my poncho because I don't think it's not going to rain tonight, but just in case. It's covering me enough that it'll keep me from getting completely wet. Plus, I don't think I can get my 10x10 in between these trees without having some type of issue. So the poncho works for now. I got it up high, so I got plenty of head space. I'm not worried about being like hidden in the tarp or anything like that. So I got my wool blanket. I'm going to use the wool blanket as insulation underneath me because I still don't have a proper hammock set up. I've been saying I'm going to get one, a hammock from Kurt Zitzelman Outdoors for about 5 years now, but I still have yet to get one. So, we just got to work with what we got. And wrapped up in my wool blanket, I have my lightweight, well, the lightest weight military sleeping bag that comes with the system. So I'm not sure how well this will work out, but you know how it is when you get in the middle of the night, early morning, and your derriere is a little bit chilly. Yeah, I brought bolt cutters. Yep. So right now I'm just going to go grab up a few rocks that I saw over here on the hillside, just to make me a little bitty fire pit. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I got people shooting guns over here this way, off in the distance. I got tractors or whatnot going this direction over here. But I'm more in the woods than what you might think. Nice little spot to stealth camp. Man, listen to the water. I'm gonna wait a little bit to get a fire going, because I'm gonna let the sun go down some. I don't need much fire at all. I got some noodles I'm gonna make in the pot. I have an MRE. We got ducks down in here in the water. Oh my God, let's go see the ducks. And they're making all kinds of noise. Landing in the water. Let's see if we can sneak down here and not scare them off. Shit. They just flew away. Right there they go. Damn. And I swear that tractor sounds like it's getting closer and closer. So right now it's about 6:30 in the evening, and Mr. Tractor Man is just taking his sweet ass time doing whatever he's doing. Cheers, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and check my flashlight and my headlamp, make sure the batteries are good. I got extra batteries. I'll get back with you. Alright. I think Tractor Man's done. We're gonna go ahead and get this fire going. What I'm going to use to start this fire is black and white fire starter light wood blend. I'll put the link to black and white fire starter in the description. Make sure you check it out. Oh yeah, some teriyaki noodles. Man, this is just awesome. The sound of the water. Little fire. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Man, I wish I'd have brought some teriyaki beef jerky to put in here while it was cooking. Then it would have been double off the hook. Hey, it's going good. I just ate my dinner and cleaned up my cook pot and everything, and I'm just relaxing on the hammock, having a drink. This headlamp, man, bugs are flying all around me right now. How are the kids? Good. Well, I love you, baby. Oh, really? Well, tell Bryce I'll see him in the morning. It's very relaxing out here by the water. It's hard to hear anything over the water, actually. But I keep hearing something in the woods behind me, like somebody's out here, and it keeps getting louder and louder. So, see, chocolate, fine.
You know, play by rule.